Hello everyone, today we are going to be going through how to update your app and how to update the software on your Falcon controller. First, you're going to go into your settings and you are going to connect to a Wi-Fi signal. So I'm going to connect to my Elmer's Wi-Fi. You can also hotspot off of your phone. Next, you are either going to go to the Apple App Store if you're using an iPad or iPhone, or you can go to the Google Play Store, or if you're using Android, you can go to our website and directly download, which I am going to do today. So if you're going directly to the website, you will find an internet search engine. I'm using Google Chrome. Once here, you are going to go to elmersmfg.com/connect, and you're going to hit the Android Direct Download button. We are going to download that file. Once downloaded, you'll hit Open, Install, and then you can hit Done. We go back to our main page, back to Settings, into our Wi-Fi settings, and now you will connect to your Haulmaster. Once connected, you will open up your Haulmaster Connect app. Accept the terms and conditions. Once your app is open, a controller update required pop-up will show up on your screen. You can hit reprogram. If this prompt does not show up, please close your app and reopen. If this does show up, hit reprogram. It'll bring you to this page, and your selected version is 12.0.1. The old software version you can see is 11.2, and we will hit Start Reprogram. Reprogramming successful. Please toggle your Wi-Fi connection and restart your controller. So you can hit OK. We will exit out of our Connect app. We will go back to our main screen. In the meantime, we will power cycle the Falcon, so we will disconnect it from the power, either turning off your tractor or unplugging your 7-pin connector, plugging back in or starting up your tractor again, going into your settings, turning off your Wi-Fi, wait a couple seconds, turn your Wi-Fi back on, and reconnect to your Haulmaster. Once reconnected, you can reopen your Haulmaster Connect app. And a pop-up will show new active data detected, load active data. Once active data is loaded, you will see a file syncing at the top. Let the file sync. Once that syncing files icon is gone, you are good to use your app as intended.